Guys, so it's Lucas here, and yeah, I'm back with another video, and again trying to get to 2000. The last video they just crashed me, like, seriously. But then I was just trying to enjoy. That doesn't happen that much. But then ah, just playing my old openings. Okay. I'm gonna try to be fancy or something. Ah, okay. I have to watch out for this now and stuff. It's just that it's protected by this one and just a rook. I think that just surface. Oh wait. What if I just push? Yeah. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? I'm just going to make a harmless threat. Just that I hope that he should see. He did see. I'm just like, you just have to make a couple of trades, you may never know what's gonna work. It might work. Okay. He's going to come over here, and I don't have a plan after that. So maybe we're going to trade him a bit. Go through coming over here, although he's going to have the square. Or maybe. Oh, he made a nice blunder. He thinks I'm going to take with the queen, but I'm gonna take with. I'll pass. I'll just take with. And then he sees now that he's in trouble because I didn't take with the queen. He was just trying to make it discovered, but because I would easily get that off. Yeah. I just don't know. What you think? Probably a check. I don't know. Like, really, I just don't know. Yeah, I expected that. Come over here. No. I just don't like this kind of square, It's uh it's not a nice square for me, but definitely a good one for him. Maybe just try him a bit. Well, when you just try in these bosses, they lose pieces. Oh God. So I'm going to play what back here. Let's see. He's trying something fancy. I'll show him. Oh, that's kind of stupid. Oh, is it? I saw that coming. Oh. It's just going to be annoying. That's all I know for sure. Oh God. I'll just take. It's a nice free piece. Now we just play over here. Because I have knight takes, it's just making me feel better, you know, because he thinks I'm going to take with, he thought I was going to take with the king, so that he gives a check with the knight or else. Oh, he did resign. This guy is a genius. He knows when to resign. Let's try another one. Um, okay. Some, wait a minute. Okay. Let's see. Can I really get this? Okay, fine. I can't. Okay, let me play. I was just trying to make the screen a little bit narrow. Alright, narrow. Whatever. I just like playing d4 after that and just take. Oh, okay. I usually don't mind. I just take. I'll take too many. Ah, I never seen that coming. I thought I was going to take too many pieces, but then seems like nothing's working out the way I thought it would. This is going to be amazingly annoying. Oh man, like seriously, it's going to be annoying. Oh god. I don't mind. I don't think he'd rather take here than I knew that for sure. And then he wants to take over here. And then, oh god. Did you see that coming? Did I see anything wrong with that? You gotta get checkmated if you don't see. Wait. I missed. Oh god. Oh god. And I'm down on time. That's the worst thing that can happen in a human. Oh. Because it's just that, you know, like this bishop here is going to be a monster and stuff. So like try get rid of it. Uh, uh. I'm just trying to make. Oh fuck, queen takes. He didn't see queen takes. Okay, so make it right over here because he doesn't see stuff. Just this move which is annoying. It's like, this guy doesn't see things. I'm telling you, he doesn't see what's going on. Like he could have played the queen over here and I just take. It's just. Oh. I would love to exchange a bit. This guy's a genius. That's stupid. You see, this bonus was fucking annoying. What you want, bitch? I cannot win. That's all. I cannot win. I've planned too much lately, but then I'm gonna get there. I will get there. Try positive. Try to be positive. Oh, I thought he was doing this stupid money stuff. I don't know why people like to do it. Cause it's stupid. Nah, it could have been nicer, but it's a bit visual. Now he's closing squares. But true colors always show here. That's a nice thing about chess. What? What's this? What's that? Okay, I hate this advantage that he has of me. It's driving me nuts. Yeah, cause it's more like he's controlling a lot of squares, man. I mean a lot. I just don't know where to place this bishop. Like, where on the board should it be? Okay, now he's opening up some squares. Might like it. Well, we'll try to work something out with this one. He should be able to try and win this game now. Okay. So I could have taken. No, I won't have that chance again. I should have took and okay, perhaps X here first because I already have like that chance now. Then just take. At least. What? No! I saw that lead. God. Damn it. Now I'm down in full row.